Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find and utilize the vintage purple effect on CapCut. Initially, what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to TV category, and then we're going to find Vintage Purple. Click and drag it down to the timeline, bring it to the end of the clip, and then bring it to the other end of the clip. And now with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, mess with the filter, strength, glow, sharpen, and texture, and also add a keyframe. I can actually show you guys how the keyframe can be utilized. So for example, right, I'm going to bring it to the beginning. Let's have this effect brought to the beginning as well. And now we can go up to, let's say, I want to bring the filter down, the strength down, the glow down, the sharpen down, the texture all the way down, right? And now we're just going to add we're just going to add keyframes to all of them by clicking the keyframe on top. And now what I'm going to do is bring the player head all the way over here and increase the filter, increase the strength, increase the glow, increase the sharpen, and increase the texture. So let's take a look at how the keyframes affect the video. And there you have it, the vintage purple effect with keyframes. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. If you like the video, leave it a like. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.